So we've done exponents, we've done multiply, divide, we've done adding and subtracting. Let's go ahead and do one with parentheses. Let's do 36 minus parenthesis 2 times 6 parenthesis divided by 3. All right, so in order of operations, my dear Aunt Sally, we want to find parentheses. Now we have parentheses, so we don't worry about anything other than what's in those parentheses until we simplify it as far as it can go. Now in this case, as far as it can go is just a number. So we have 2 times 6, which is 12. So we have 36 minus 12 divided by 3. We drop everything else that we haven't used down. We don't need those parentheses anymore because we've done what's in them and it doesn't help us. If we have parentheses there, there's nothing in there that can help us or that will go into it. So we no longer need those parentheses, okay? Now, done parentheses, no exponents, multiply and divide, division. So 12 divided by 3 is 4. I bring down everything I have. Now because I'm working with add and subtract, I can really just go left to right. So 36 minus 4 is 32. Yay. So this is a pretty simple application with parentheses. Let's go ahead and let's do a more difficult one that has 2 sets of parentheses in it. So we have a bracket, parenthesis, 4 plus 12 divided by 4, parenthesis, minus 2, bracket. All of that is going to be cubed. So whatever we get in there, we will cube it, meaning we'll times it by itself 3 times. Then we'll add 3 to it. All right, so this one's a little bit more complex. We still do order of operations. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. First thing's parentheses. I know I am working from the inside out, so I find my innermost set of parentheses. I am only worried about that. I only care about 4 plus 12 divided by 4. Now in that, we still go through order of operations. Are there exponents? No. Is there multiply or divide? Yes. So we do 12 divided by 4, which is 3. And then we have 4 plus, drop down everything you haven't used yet. And then we continue working until we have whatever is in those parentheses as simple as it can go. So 7 is as simple as it can go. Because of that, we no longer need these parentheses, okay? So 7's what I get. I drop everything else that I haven't used yet. So minus 2, I haven't gotten rid of my brackets yet. It's still going to be cubed. I still need to add 3. Okay. So this is where we're at now. I still have a set of parentheses, so I'm still working on that first little bit. I am only concerned about 7 minus 2. So when I do that, I get 5. Now, I don't need brackets anymore. Brackets don't separate anything from anything else. So sometimes you might see that, but that's okay. It'll mean the same thing as just 5 cubed plus 3. So at this point, I've done all of my parentheses. Now I need to work on exponents. So this really means 5 times 5 times 5. 5 times 5 is 25, times 5 is 125. And then, so I've done all of that. I bring down my plus 3. I get my total, which is 128. You guys are going to try a couple with these parentheses. If you need to refer back to the video, you are more than welcome to.